we're gonna get right into this bathroom makeover. I'm here just feeling myself. So let's just get right into it, shall we? And I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay, so let's check it out. So guys, this is what I'm working with. I call this my canvas and I'm the artist. So as I entered, on entering, noticed that the faucet has a bit of rusting. Also the mirror has some spotting. The area this bathroom is pretty bland. I should mention that this bathroom was, well, this apartment was built maybe in the late 70s, early 80s, and much hasn't been done to it since. So I'm pretty much planning to just work with what I have here, and I plan on working with those floors as well, because I want to show you guys how you can update a bathroom without, you know, how you can update it, how you can give it a modern feel without breaking the bank. So for this particular project, I had a budget of $100, and as you can see here, I went to various stores because $100 can get you so much and no more. So I had to do a little bit of shopping around. I also, believe it or not, my inspiration for this makeover was that pink candle. I will leave the cost and prices of all the items in the description bar, so don't worry. So I decided to start with the bath area. I have my shower curtain, I have a shower curtain liner, and I have my rod here, and I also have a shower rack and some pins to pretty much hang up the shower curtain. If you are strapped for cash, you could just opt to get the shower curtain liner because they do have decorative and cool, nice pieces. One of the bonus of buying a shower curtain liner is that it came with the pins, but unfortunately one of my pin broke, because in my attempt to prevent it from scratching my shower curtain rod, I broke it. So I had to improvise. Luckily enough, I had some other pins lying around, and I also decided that I wasn't going to keep the racks. Even though the bathroom is pretty small, it has a lot of storage space, and I just made a decision that it was unnecessary to have, even though I think it's pretty cute. So onto the problem area of mine, which is the sink. For that, I'll be using Rust-Oleum. I also decided that I was going to switch my light bulbs. I got these light bulbs that I love the design of the light bulb, and I decided to get them to help modernize the bathroom. I also got some decorative pieces. I got some electrical tape for the mirrors. Okay, so to complete the look, I bought these hand towels and I bought these mats. Like I said earlier, the inspiration for this makeover came from the pinkish blush candle, and I decided to follow it up with, or to complement the candle with, these mats. I pretty much decided to work with that color, even though my intent was to make this restroom gender neutral. So we're almost done. I'm just gonna do some additional touching up, and then I'm going to reveal to you the new bathroom. I hope you love it. comment down below. Also, tell your friend to tell another friend about this channel. You can also share this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that subscription tab for more content like this. And until next time, keep safe.